there is a bright chance that Nifty and its stocks will aim to bounce back from Tuesday's drubbing. The positive catalysts. 1. Wall Street stabilizes. 2. Hopes of a favorable outcome from the US-India trade negotiations. Please note, Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal on Wednesday said discussions on the proposed India's bilateral trade agreement, BTA, are progressing smoothly but cautioned that many sensitive and serious issues remain to be resolved. Meanwhile, the key three headlines. 1. The Fed's ambiguous stance on a potential December rate cut. Our call of the day suggests that the session is likely to see intense back-and-forth action, with bears resisting every upward move, keeping volatility elevated. Technically speaking, confirmation of strength now only above 26,107 mark. For Thursday's trade, Nifty to 5903 will act as big hurdle. Bottom line, sentiment still fragile, the battle for directional clarity shall continue, and Nifty remains caught in a narrow range, wavering without conviction. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1067 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1203 crores. Nifty sentiment is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought zone. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 12.65 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.79 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.83. Nifty outlook. For now, it seems Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35 may have to wait a little longer, with traders expected to adopt a cautious, wait-and-watch approach and perhaps with negative bias. Nifty, CMP to 5598. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,429 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,903 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,500 and 25,800. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83459. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,121 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,000 and 84,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 57827. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 56,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, the benchmark Nifty tumbled hard and the negative takeaway was that there was no place to run or hide for the bulls. Well, dark cloud cover seen on Dalal Street. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Britannia Industries reported a strong second quarter for FY26, with both revenue and profit improving on the back of stable input prices and tighter cost management. The firm's standalone net profit rose 34% year-on-year to 689.95 crore rupees in the quarter ended September, compared to 514.41 crore rupees in the same period last year. 2. Deliveries revenue from operations rose almost 17% year-over-year to 2,559.3 crore rupees in Q2, up from 2,189.7 crore rupees a year ago. The firm, however, posted a loss of 50.5 crore rupees in the second quarter, Q2, of financial year 2025-26, FY26. Q2 corporate earnings to watch. Thursday, 5th November. Life Insurance, Cholamandalam Finance, Cummins, ABB, Apollo Hospitals, Lupin, Godrej Properties, NHPC, UPL, MCX, NCC, Precon. Friday, 6th November. Bajaj Auto, Hindalco, Divi's Lab, Trent, Torrent Pharma, Nykaa, Kalyan Jewellers, Petronet, LNG, Newland Lab.